Hi guys, in this video we'll do one of the Zoha Hadid projects, so let's get started. In the beginning we go to the geometry menu, select plane. Yes, we'll make it like this, and then we will do rotation for the plane 90 degree. After that we will go to the front view. We'll move it up a little bit. Okay, that's great. And then we drag the photo. We'll use this photo as a reference for our work. Now the photo is in the wrong direction, so we gotta rotate it to the y-axis. We go and click mirror icon, select y-axis, and then click OK. We increase the photo size by increasing the width and the depth, the width and the length from the menu. We move it up, increase the width a little bit. Okay, let's do some setting before we start draw lines on our photo. So select the photo, right click, we will choose object properties, decrease the visibilities, and click freeze. Remove this one, we don't need it. Click OK. Now we are ready to draw on our photo. Select line from shape menu, and to draw a line in orthogonal, to make it orthogonal we need to press shift when we move the mouse. So we just need to do it when we do the second point, but the third, we don't need it. Now the fourth point, the fifth point, okay, sixth one, 7, okay, 8, 9. We'll continue doing the point with once we see like a angle, we will do it. Yes, the last one, and then we have to draw the line. Yep, that's it. And then we click escape to remove the line, to get out of it. Now if you see the photo, we will have a small problem in the right side because the photo is taken from the left side, but we will continue like that. So now we select the line, the SP line, and then we increase the outline. And now we see the problem. Now it's clear. In the left side things are okay, but once we go to the right side, things, it's not the same as the photo. As I said, because it's the photo it's taken from the left side. But if the photo taken from the front view, believe me, the work will be accurate. So now let's do the curves. Now we will select vertex, and then we go and increase the fillet. Once we increase it, you will see all the angles will become curves. Okay, it's not okay. We'll try to make it accurate as much as we can. Okay, let's select, let's do it again. Okay, let's select the left side. The left side, the curve is not really, strong like here. So we will increase it just only a little bit. Yes, it's really smooth. Okay, I think now it's great. Now we need to draw the column in the middle. So we will go to the shape menu, zoom in, and then we draw the column by rectangle. Okay, select the rectangle from the shape menu, and then we'll draw it. We'll move it a little bit to the left. Once we finish, we gotta attach it with the main line. The rectangle, we gotta attach it with the main line to remove the lines, the extra lines. So we will attach. We will first select the main line, and then we attach. We select attach, and then we select the rectangle. We will go and find command is called trim. Okay, but first let's select the spline. That's good. We select the trim, and then zoom in. We will remove the extra line that's in the middle. That's fantastic. Now we need to weld the vertex. So we will highlight the vertex. Once we highlight it, select the vertex first. We highlight it, and then we click. We will do it by right click, and we press on the weld, and we will do it with the second one. Okay, we will see now. Once we do the extrude, it will be clear. Okay, that's good. We don't need now the photo, the whole photo. We will remove it. Okay, now we select the line, and we go to the modifier list above the line. Okay, and then we are looking for extrude. Once we select it, we see now now the building structure is completed. We increase the extrude. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lesson.